you can expect a lot from the 2011 Chevrolet HHR. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.